What does it take to transform fresh guava leaves into a fine, premium quality powder used by manufacturers worldwide? Today, we're taking you inside the complete guava leaf powder processing journey at Medikonda Nutrients. The process begins with sourcing high-quality guava leaves from carefully selected farms. Only healthy, mature leaves are chosen to ensure consistency, purity, and quality throughout production. Each batch undergoes a thorough inspection before entering the processing facility. The leaves are carefully sorted to remove damaged leaves, stems, and unwanted foreign matter. They then pass through a multi-stage cleaning process to eliminate dust, dirt, and other impurities. This step helps ensure a clean and reliable raw material. After cleaning, the leaves are evenly spread and dried under controlled conditions. Carefully monitored drying helps reduce moisture while preserving the natural characteristics of the leaves. The drying process continues until the desired moisture level is achieved. The dried guava leaves are transferred to advanced milling equipment. They are finely ground into powder, creating a consistent texture suitable for various industrial applications. The powder is passed through precision sieves to achieve uniform particle size. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while maintaining its nutritional integrity. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and quality parameters in our quality control process, ensuring it meets international standards. Finally, our organic guava leaf powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and exported worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. We are Medikonda Nutrients,